Hello, this is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Supercentre, and we're taking a look at the 2015 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 in a work truck trim and powered by a 5.3-liter V8 engine, providing you with plenty of power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing. Freshly detailed, so it's nice and clean, but let's take a look inside. First, looking into the back seat, where you have comfortable seating for three that can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo. And in the middle, you have fold-out armrests with two cup holders. And looking into the front, where you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. Or actually, I think you have manual mirrors. But then moving on, now sitting in the truck with it running, you can see it's sitting at 114,727 kilometers. And moving down to the steering wheel on the on the left-hand side, you have your cruise controls. And up here, you have this dial to cycle through your information, such as your digital speedometer, trip mileage, distance to empty, fuel economy, tire pressures, oil life, transmission fluid, engine hours, and then settings. But then moving on to the left, you have your lighting controls. And then moving on to the right, where you have your infotainment screen, which is radio capable, I believe. Radio and auxiliary, I believe, or Bluetooth. But moving down from that, you have your media controls and then your climate controls here. Pretty simple, easy to use. Below that, you have your traction control shutoff and your box cargo lights. To the left, are actually looking at your column shifter, which does have select shift, so you can manually shift through your gears with your tow haul mode button at the end of the stalk. And then moving on to the right, you do have a lockable compartment above your glove box for more storage or security. Moving down, you have your 4x4 shifter here on the floor with a little cubby there. And then looking at your center console area, where you have three cup holders, three little cubbies, and your center compartment / armrest, which does open up and out of the way to reveal a 12-volt SD, two USBs, and auxiliary, so you can plug something into power or charge or hook up your audio. But this lifts up and out of the way to become your fifth passenger seat and sixth seat overall, so plenty of seating in this truck with another. Actually, no, that's it, 6 seating, but that should cover our look at the vehicle at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.